it's Kripnanshi here. First of all, Sat Shri Akal, Adab, Assalamu Alaikum, Namaste. So today we are shooting our first vlog of my channel because हमारा vlog था एक सिंगाई. सबसे पहले मेरा outfit of the day और अब हम सबसे पहले हमारी डेस्टिनेशन है बंगला साहिब इन सीपी. तो चलो चलते हैं.
Here is short and simple information about Gurdwara Bangla Sahib. Gurdwara Bangla Sahib is a famous Sikh shrine located in Connaught Place, New Delhi. It is associated with Guru Har Krishan Ji, the 8th Sikh Guru. The Gurdwara is known for its holy sarovar, whose water is believed to have healing powers. It is open to people of all religions. The Gurdwara also runs a free community kitchen, langar, for everyone. It is symbol of service, equality and peace.
गुरु ग्रंथ है गुरु साडा एक उस दी ले ओ बंदिया वाहे गुरु कै सतनाम कै ओ बंदिया वाहे.
So hello guys, now we are outside of Gurdwara and now we are heading towards Hanuman Mandir. Basically it's known as Prachin Hanuman Mandir and I am with my friend Molly and we met some of friends in Gurdwara. We'll show them in the clips cause we can't take photography in Gurdwaras of course. So now let's meet in Hanuman Gadi Mandir.
Here is short and simple information about Prachin Hanuman Mandir. Prachin Hanuman Mandir is an ancient Hindu temple located in Connaught Place, New Delhi. It is dedicated to Lord Hanuman and is believed to be one of the oldest temples in Delhi. According to legends, the ideal of Hanuman here is itself manifested, Swayambhu. The temple is visited by thousands of devotees every day. Special prayers are held on Tuesdays and Saturdays. It is a symbol of faith and devotion in the heart of Delhi.
दिल्ली के इस हनुमान मंदिर का नाम गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में दर्ज है. जी हाँ, यह है दिल्ली का प्राचीन हनुमान मंदिर, जिसकी स्थापना महाभारत काल में पांडवों द्वारा कराई गई थी. और यहाँ पर उपस्थित हनुमान जी स्वयंभू है, जिसका मतलब है कि ये हनुमान जी की प्रतिमा स्वयं प्रकट हुई थी. और खास बात तो ये है कि यहाँ 24 घंटे अटूट मंत्र जाप होता है. इस प्राचीन हनुमान मंदिर में 1 अगस्त 1964 से लगातार श्री राम जय राम का जाप चल रहा है, जो कि विश्व का सबसे लंबा जाप है. इसी कारण इस मंदिर का नाम गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में दर्ज है.
So guys, now we are at Jantar Mantar. After having a grateful darshan in Prachin Hanuman Mandir, it was a great one. And now let's show you around Jantar Mantar.
Here is short and simple information about Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar is a historical astronomical observatory located in New Delhi. It was built in 1724 by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II. The observatory has large stone instruments used to study the movement of the sun, moon and planets. These instruments helped in measuring time and predicting eclipse. Jantar Mantar shows a scientific knowledge of an ancient India. It is now a popular tourist attraction and an important heritage site.
Guys, we are at Pragati Maidan now and see what's behind me. This is called क्या बोलते हैं इसको? This is called Supreme Court of India and now we are heading towards Science Museum. So let's meet you there. So hello guys, we are at Science Museum in Pragati Maidan and of course with Molly here. इधर तो देख ले गाइस, मॉली थोड़ी शर्मा रही है, शर्मीली लड़की हमारी. ओके, नेवर माइंड. तो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर इनसाइड. हमने एंट्री फीस भी ले ली है और 3D शो इंक्लूडेड है. तो लेट्स हैव और मे बी हम यहाँ पे क्लिप्स ही डालेंगे. तो ओके.
Here is short and simple information about National Science Museum, also known as National Science Center. The National Science Museum, also called as National Science Center, is located near Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. It was established in 1992 to promote interest in science. The museum has interactive exhibits related to physics, biology, space, and technology. It helps students to understand science through fun and practical activities. There are science shows and 3D films for visitors. It is an educational place for students and families. The museum makes learning science interesting and
You can
enjoyable.
see the Harippa Times things, whatever it is. People used to wear these type of clothes, lockets here, terracotta ornaments. Guys, it was called copper wares, Indus Valley copper wares. Replicas of shell bangles and all. Jewelry, bead ornaments. तो बाद रुक. अरे ये तो श्री विनिवासम रामानुजन है. कुतुब मीनार. अरे ये हम्पी का है. This is situated in Hampi. बेसिकली गाइज ये बायोलॉजी वाली भी थिंग है यहाँ पे. मेरा बायोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो मैं नहीं लेने वाली. मॉली विल कैप्चर इट. ये 3D शो होगा यहाँ पे अभी. ये देखो हमारी
किसी कलाकार की तरह ये है जिराफ पृथ्वी.
नहीं लिया. अबे इसमें तो आए अभी हैं लाल किला.
Here is short and simple information about Bharat Mandapam. Bharat Mandapam is a modern, conventional and exhibition center located at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. It was inaugurated in 2023. The building was a main venue for the G20 summit hosted by India. Bharat Mandapam represents India's rich culture and modern development. It has a large halls for international meetings, exhibitions and events. The center is designed with advanced facilities and traditional Indian elements. It is an important landmark for New Delhi. Here is short and simple information about National Crafts Museum and Hastakala Academy. The National Crafts Museum and Hastakala Academy is located at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. It showcases India's rich handicrafts and handloom traditions. The museum displays textiles, folk art, tribal crafts, and traditional objects from different states of India. It also has village complex showing rural houses and craft styles. Skilled artisans often give live crafts demonstrations here. The museum helps in preventing and promoting Indian culture and crafts. It is an important place for students and art lovers. Here is short and simple information about India Gate. India Gate is a famous war memorial located in New Delhi. It was built in 1931 in the memory of Indian soldiers who died during the World War I. The names of many soldiers are inscribed on its wall. An external flame, Amar Jawan Jyoti, burns here to honor the soldiers. India Gate is an important national symbol. It is surrounded by green lawns and is a popular place for visitors. The Red Fort, Lal Killa, is a historic monument located in Old Delhi. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1638 using red stone. The fort was the residential of Mughal emperors for many years. It is an excellent example of Mughal architecture. The Red Fort is a symbol of India's freedom and heritage. Every year on Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag here. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day, honey.
Here is short and simple information about ISKCON. ISKCON stands for the International Society of Krishna Consciousness. It was founded in 1966 by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. ISKCON is devoted to the worship of Lord Krishna and the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. ISKCON temples are famous for their beautiful architecture, peaceful atmosphere, and devotional music. The society promotes values like love, devotion, and spiritual knowledge. ISKCON has temples and centers all over the world, including many in India.
किशोर कुंवर हरि नटवर बांके बिहारी गोविंदा गिरधर केशव माधव श्याम मुरारी नटवर नटनागर गिरधारी हरि दुख हरता हरि सुख